Hello everyone, this is AICritic and this is my channel. So I think it's really important for everyone to know that AIs are not some magical and divine thing. Um, so in this channel I'm going to be doing three things. We're going to be uncovering some of my programming projects I've been doing over 8 years. This treasury will be full of interesting and wonderful stuff. Second, we are going to embark on a journey to uh, actually produce an AI, and as such, we're going to understand them as well. And third thing, this channel is called AICritic, so I will be criticizing AIs, most likely in the form of videos generated by AIs. So that is going to be fun to watch as well. Right, so without any further ados, let's move on to the next thing. So, let's have a look at this. This is the first project I bring to you. So this is not an AI. The name is kind of deceiving, but this is my first attempt to do something like that. I've used lots of interesting elements here, but I did that like 2 or 3 years ago, so I've got very little idea about what's going on. I can tell you this though. We are we are separating words into different frequency bands here, and we are alternating them in a way to make something similar to a sentence. So, to illustrate this idea, let's have a go. Okay, right. So for this to work, we need a big text. So I've prepared just the thing for this thing to work, and that is the entire Lord of the Rings. I can drop you this PDF at the bottom of the video if you like, but this should be sufficient. Let's have a look. So I'm not sure how many of you are familiar with this story, but it's a very interesting book. Like, uh, do recommend it. It's good read. Good read. Let's dig in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste some text into my fake AI. So let's see. How long does this go? Sort of ends like over there. Right, let's go. So here we go. We've got a decent sized text. Let's see what happens. So what this has done now is um, taken words out of the text and um, sort of vary the frequencies. Um, mm, it's put the words into different frequency bandwidths and it's varied the bandwidths. Varied the frequencies. So that looks like more or less okay. Okay sentence. Um, Notice that all the words are in the proper places. Proper places, which is something I was quite surprised with because it's essentially just sorting the words into frequencies and it's varying those frequencies and trying to make um, an 8 word sentence like thing. Mm, let's carry on. Let's move on to this next part. Mm, there we go. This one's a little bit shorter. Let me just grab that. There we go. And here, so I'm feeding the information of the Lord of the Rings into my AI, and it's putting those words into sentence-like thing. So I could carry on, but you do get the idea, and I will drop the code at the bottom of the chat, so you can all have a look. Right, so there is. Let's have a look at the code. What does it actually do? Um, mm, Now, I'm not entirely sure about everything because I did this a while ago and I've done it quite unprofessionally um, because I am not a professional programmer. I am a programming enthusiast. So I just like programming and uh, that's sort of what makes my day. Anyhow, so essentially, mm, this function, the learn function, is going to um, order the words into their sort of frequencies with the link sort list and link add sort. So this is these are sorting algorithms. You are welcome to try and decipher what they exactly mean. I'm not sure exactly what I've done, but so we have the learn function. That's what we do to separate them into different frequency bands. And now this should give us a dupe list, and then we have the crescent function and the nth function, um, which will therefore um, vary the frequencies, um, taking two on opposite ends of the list and sort of putting them together in a sentence. So as you can see, this wasn't an AI, and there we have it. There we have it. I also have this next AI thing, and it's a much more simple thing than my other program. So this one works in an entirely different way. So it's gonna, this one's completely random, but it just works. Somehow it just works. So it takes all the words in a text, puts them in a list, and then just randomly picks out words from the list and creates an output. It's unbelievably simple, but it works. It works, which is quite interesting. Quite interesting. So let's run this. Let's do the same thing. Let's go a little bit further down. I'll take some more texts. And put it in, and it's just given me a text. So I suppose it just works. Just works. So it looks real, but if you read it, it doesn't make entire sense. So the way I found this code was without this part, and you can remove it. And that is a thought experiment where instead of sorting words, we're sorting characters, and we're just randomly ticking through the characters. But that isn't very interesting for me to show you. So I'll call that a day. And basically, stay tuned, because next time we're going to move on to part 2 of the things that I have stated, and we're actually going to think about what constitutes an AI and what actually makes an AI. I am a programming enthusiast, as I've told you. I do not know how to make an AI yet, but I will work with you, and we will together make an AI, and hopefully this will give you some understanding, and um, you'll no longer look at AI as like some sort of majestic beings. With that, stay tuned, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.